Have you ever heard people say garlic is basically a miracle food? That it boosts immunity, lowers blood pressure, fights infections, and even improves heart health? And yes, garlic is incredibly healthy for many people. But here's the untold truth. Garlic is not safe for everyone. In fact, for some people, eating garlic regularly can actually cause serious problems. So in this video, we're talking about the people who should avoid garlic or be extremely careful with it. Because if you are one of them, garlic might be doing more harm than good. Let's get into it. Garlic contains powerful compounds like allicin, which gives it its strong smell and many of its health benefits. But those same compounds can also affect the body in ways that aren't always positive. First, avoid garlic if you are taking blood thinners. Garlic naturally reduces blood clotting, so if you're on medications like warfarin, aspirin, or other anticoagulants, garlic can increase your risk of bleeding. Even too much garlic in food or supplements may lead to bruising, nosebleeds, or dangerous internal bleeding. Next, avoid garlic if you are about to have surgery. Doctors often recommend stopping garlic at least 1 to 2 weeks before surgery because of its blood-thinning effects. It can make it harder for your blood to clot during an operation. Another group that should be careful is people with stomach ulcers or acid reflux. Garlic is very strong and can irritate the digestive tract. If you already suffer from heartburn, gastritis, or ulcers, garlic may worsen symptoms like burning pain, nausea, or bloating. Now, avoid garlic if you have a sensitive stomach or irritable bowel syndrome. For some people, garlic triggers gas, cramps, diarrhea, and discomfort. This is because garlic is high in fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols, which are carbohydrates that can be difficult to digest. If garlic always makes your stomach upset, your body may be telling you something. Also, avoid garlic if you have low blood pressure. Garlic can naturally lower blood pressure. That's great for people with hypertension, but if your blood pressure is already low, garlic may cause dizziness, weakness, or fainting. Another important one, avoid garlic if you are allergic to it. Some people experience itching, swelling, breathing problems, or skin reactions after eating garlic. A garlic allergy may be rare, but it is real and can be dangerous. You should also be cautious if you are pregnant or breastfeeding in large amounts. Small amounts of garlic in food are usually safe, but garlic supplements can be too strong and may affect bleeding risk or digestion. Always consult a doctor before using concentrated garlic pills during pregnancy. Finally, avoid garlic supplements if you are taking medications for human immunodeficiency virus, diabetes, or certain immune conditions. Garlic can interfere with how some medications are absorbed or broken down in the liver. So mixing garlic supplements with prescription drugs can create unwanted side effects. So yes, garlic is healthy, but it's not for everyone. If you are on blood thinners, preparing for surgery, struggling with ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, low blood pressure, allergies, or taking certain medications, garlic may be something you need to limit or avoid. The best rule is simple. Natural doesn't always mean harmless. So before using garlic as a daily remedy or supplement, talk to a healthcare professional. Have you ever had a bad reaction to garlic? Comment below. And if you want more quick health truths like this, subscribe for more. Because now that you know, you'll never look at garlic the same way again.